Hello, my lovely humans. So today we're going to be teaching you, well, I am, but I'm a we because I'm a genderless alien, how to pick up birds. If you don't know what birds are, they're not the ones that flap in the sky. No, forget about them. They're irrelevant. They are girls, females, ladies, women, you call them what you want, but they're all the same thing. Number one, you say, hey babes, what you doing tonight? So you arrange your date. The next thing you need to do, number two, is you need to say what time you're going for the date. So she'll reply and you say okay. But don't say it too enthusiastically or she'll just think you're a weirdo and dump you.